Good morning, everyone. I am Manju Taneja from RPIIT College. Today, I have taken one more important topic, that is punctuation. While writing, we use so many punctuation marks. Punctuation is the system of symbols that we use to separate written sentences and parts of sentences and to mark their meaning clear. Each symbol is called a punctuation mark. Punctuation is the marking that clarifies sentences. This is the set of marks used to regulate text and clarify their meanings, mainly by separating or linking words, phrases, and clauses. The words comes from the Latin word punctuare, meaning making a point. We use so many punctuation marks include apostrophes, brackets, bullets, colons, commas, dashes, exclamation points, hyphen, paragraph breaks, periods, question mark, quotation mark, semicolons, slashes, and spacing, etc. Now we will start with question mark. It is a punctuation symbol placed at the end of a question. A question mark also ends a sentence. However, it ends a sentence that is a direct question. Sentences that are questions begin with what, how, when, where, why, or who. Here are some examples of question sentences. How do you like your books? Why did not you like the movie last night? These all are example of question mark, the sentence that ends with question mark only. Now there is exclamation point. Exclamation point are meant to add emphasis on a sentence. An exclamation point or exclamation mark is also used at the end of a sentence when that sentence expresses an intense emotion. The expression can be variety of things from excitement, anger, joy, or anything else. There are some examples. Look out behind you, she shouted. I am so excited to go to the park tomorrow. All these sentences are followed by a sign of exclamation. It shows our emotions, our anger, our joy, and excitement. Now we will know about the use of comma. Comma are used to insert a pause into a sentence. The purpose of the pause can be for different reasons, such as to separate ideas, phrases, or even alter the structure of the sentence. Comma are used for direct address such as Joy, it was nice to see you again. Used to separate two complete sentences. He went to the library, then he went out for lunch. Commas can also be used listing the items such as he went for shopping and bought shoes, a dress, two shirts, and a pair of pants. Then there is dash. There are two types of dashes that vary in size and use. E and dash, typical shorter in length, the and dash is used to denote a range such as between numbers and dates. For example, the company was operational from 1990 to 2000. Here we have that EN, the shorter dash. He took the Chicago New York train last night. EM dash. This dash is longer and it is sometimes used instead of other punctuation marks like commas or colons. Here's an example. Her answer was clear, yes. Here we have used a longer dash. Now there is hyphen. Sometimes you would get confused between hyphen and dash. Not to be confused with dash. Hyphen is used in compound words, two or more words as connected. Here are some examples of hyphenated words: step by step, mother-in-law, ex-boyfriend. Here now now we will discuss about the use of brackets. Brackets are used to clarify something or that for technical terms or explanation. It can also be used to clarify a subject when quoting another person or text. Example we will take she, Mrs. Smith. Here we clarify about who is she. Agrees that cats are better than dogs. For Mrs. Smith, we used that brackets. Adam said that summer are my favorite time of year. Summer, here we will specify the season. We use brackets here. Now we will discuss the use of apostrophe. Apostrophe means to show that a letter or letters have been omitted and also indicate the possessive or contractions. For using contraction we use apostrophe. It can also be used to capitalize lowercase letter. Here are some examples. I have been working from home for 6 months and it's great. Instead of using have, I used I apostrophe ve. That means we are using apostrophe in between. That is a contraction. Rebecca's dog has surgery yesterday. That is a possessive case. For that we use apostrophe. Thank you. This was all about today's topic, that is punctuation. I hope you will like this video and share with your friend. Please subscribe our channel RPIT Academics.